There she is. There we go. Wow, that doesn't feel like a stock bumper. It's really light. But could be. Who knows? Oh, that thing's nasty. They really need to start teaching redneck ingenuity in our school system. Just look at that exhaust hanger. Done by yours truly, in a pinch. 7 of the 8 bed bolts are carriage bolts, but number 8 is Ford uses a screwdriver to put in a 1/2 inch goddamn machine screw. Basically a 1/2 inch machine screw. So, probably gonna have to cut that off. So dumb. Keep arguing with me, Ford people. Oh my God! It's coming out. What are the chances, man? Well, you soak your bolts. Holy shit. It's got one of those stupid, one of those nuts that are on the, you know, like the hood nuts. But the bad thing is the bolt's like sticking out of the nut this far, so I'm gonna be here for fucking ever. I don't know why, but this is blowing my mind. For some reason. Stupid. Stupid, stupid. Alright. Here it is, bed's off, we got the parking brake cable off, and we are about to take off the drive line. So here goes another. So everything's unhooked. From here to here, we're gonna cut 16 inches out to make a short bed. So we're gonna cut about right here, and roll the back part of the frame up to the front part of the frame and make it a short bed. So we haven't decided if we're gonna cut it like Z channel or if we're probably just gonna cut just a straight butt and get a smaller piece of C channel and put it inside the frame. And then bolt it together and weld it. But anyways, football's on and I'm going in the house. Craftsman Customs, brothers.